An introduction to using enum. Sometimes we need a new type to store a finite number of values. In that case, we want to define a new type instead of using a broader type like string or int or char. Some examples: maybe you have a list of menu options, or the directions for a robot, or maybe the suits in a deck of cards. These could be represented by using string, but there's a finite number of options for each. Therefore, we're going to use an enum. What's an enum? An enum is a type of class. It represents a group of named constants, and it's used when there are a finite set of values. The general format for an enum is as follows. We start with the keyword enum. Then we use the name of the enum class, followed by braces and a list of constants that can be assigned to the enum. When we create a variable of that type, we're going to use the name of the enum, the name of the object, equals the name of the enum class, dot operator, and the constant value we want assigned. Let's look at an example. I'm going to create an enum to hold the directions north, south, east, and west. We have enum directions, and then our list of constants, north, south, east, and west. If we want to create a variable facing and set it to the direction north, we would say directions facing equals directions north.